Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to share previous year question paper of BPED AMU, and this question paper is session 2018-19. Friends, my aim is to share the format of question paper. So friends, वीडियो को end तक ज़रूर देखें and please and don't forget to share and like. So now start. The first question is the place that was used by the fathers to teach their sons all the physical abilities necessary to enter into manhood and military in the Roman era was known as. The options are given: Campus Martinus, Agorge, Lyceum, and Epidaurus. Friends, answer of this question is A, that is Campus Martinus. Now, the Agoj is a education system, and if you talk about the Lyceum, Lyceum is the hall for public lecture or discussion. And if you talk about the Epidaurus, Epidaurus is a small city in ancient Greece. Okay. Now, question number second. In Athens, the athletic trainer and educator of youth was known as. Now, the answer of this question is D, that is Cosmates. D answer is the correct. Now, if you talk about the pedagogos, it is guardians or guidance. Okay. If you talk about the helot, helot is like a slaves. Or now, the question number third. Match the column. Now, A, Vedic age, B, epic age, C, Rajput period, and D, Nalanda period. Now, if you match the Vedic age, then it will goes with fourth one, that is 2000 to 1000 BC. A will match with 4. Now, if we talk about the epic age, this will goes with first one, that is 1000 to 600 BC. Okay. Now, Rajput period, this will goes with second one, that is 300 to 1200 AD. And Nalanda period, this will goes with this will goes with second one. Okay. This will goes with third one, that is 300 AD. Okay. So the option is first one. A is the correct answer. Now, question number 5. A sports that was originated in India and its traces was found on the walls of Ajanta and Ellora is known as. The option A, chopper, B, chogan, and D, pigeons flying, and the D, pachasis. The option D is the correct answer, pachasis. Okay. Now, friends, question number 6. Every items of column A have two options in column B. Find the correct pairs. फ्रेंड्स, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ये करना है कि ये जो ए बी सी डी जो ऑप्शन दे रखा है, हर ऑप्शन के दो दो आंसर कॉलम बी में है. अगर हम बात करें सिनेप्सिस का, तो इसमें इसका जो होगा वो थर्ड वन, दैट इज केमिकल. ओके. and then seventh one, that is electrical. Okay. A option have two, that is chemical and the electrical. Now, if you talk the b1, that is the nervous system, then first and fifth, that is sympathetic and the parasympathetic. Okay. If you talk about the muscular fibers, then fourth and eighth, that is actin and myosin. Okay. If you talk about the muscles structure provision, this one will goes second one and sixth one, that is unipenny and the bipenny. Okay. So the answer of this question is B. B option is the correct answer. Okay. Now, question number 7. Recognize the incorrect statement. A, human body composed of 320 pairs of muscles. And the B, there are 80 bones in the axial and 126 bones in the appendicular skeleton. C, the endocrine glands secretes enzymes and exocrine glands secretes hormones in the blood. D, the heart has 4 valves, one for each chamber of the heart. So friends, in this question we have to find the incorrect statement, that is the C. C option is the answer of this question. This is an incorrect statement. If you talk about the endocrine glands, the function of endocrine glands is it helps in growth, development and the metabolism. Okay, now if you talk about the glands, exocrine glands, this glands helps in sweets, tears, saliva, and the example of these sweet glands, salivary glands and mammary glands. Okay, so option C is the answer and this is a incorrect statement. Now question number 8, when the food leaves the stomach it is known as. So option A, bile, B, chyme, option C, enzyme and D, saline. So answer of this question is B option, that is chyme. Okay, now find the right identifier for the group. फ्रेंड्स इसमें हमें क्या करना है कि इसमें ऑप्शन दे रखा है ABCD और उसके सामने इसके है ना करेक्ट ऑप्शन से मैच कर रखा है और हमें इसमें सही कौन सा है वो हमें बताना है। जैसे कि मस्कुलर सिस्टम के सामने लिख रखा है इंस्पायरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम, ओके, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम के सामने रखता है एक्सपायरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम, पल्मोनरी सिस्टम के सामने टाइडल वॉल्यूम एंड और नर्वस सिस्टम के सामने क्या है वाइटल कैपेसिटी। सो इसमें जो है ना सही जो दे रखा है वो है सी, जो कि ऑप्शन ए में है। ओके ओके, पल्मोनरी सिस्टम का क्या है टाइडल वॉल्यूम, दैट इज द सी एंड ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, आइडेंटिफाई द फूड दैट डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू कार्बोहाइड्रेट रिच फूड कैटेगरी। इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ये बताना है कि वो कौन सा फूड है जो कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट रिच से नहीं मिलता है। जैसे कि ऑप्शन ए में है राइस, बी में है होल व्हीट ब्रेड जिसको हम रोटी कहते हैं, उसका सी में है एवोकाडो एंड डी में है ओट्स। तो इसका जो आंसर होगा वो सी होगा। सी वो खाना है जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स रिच फूड हमें नहीं मिलता है। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, विच फैट इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी गुड फॉर हेल्थ। हमें इसमें बताना है कि कौन सा ऐसा फैट है जो हमारे सेहत के लिए अच्छा है। फर्स्ट में क्या दे रखा है ट्रांस फैट्स, बी में दे रखा है मोनो अनसैचुरेटेड फैट, सी में दे रखा है पॉली अनसैचुरेटेड फैट एंड डी बोथ ए बी एंड सी। सो इसका जो ऑप्शन होगा फ्रेंड्स वो होगा सी, डैट इज द पॉली अनसैचुरेटेड फैट इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ। ओके, नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। इन दिस क्वेश्चन आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट पेयर्स फ्रॉम कॉलम बी। हमें ये बताना है कि जो हमारा कॉलम ए है वो उसमें से कॉलम बी से कौन कौन सही से मैच कर रहा है। ठीक है, अगर हम फिटनेस की बात करें, अगर हम आंसर की बात करें तो आंसर डी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, आंसर डी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ इफ़ यू मैच फिटनेस देन थर्ड विल बी गोथ, फिटनेस विल the definition of fitness in the third one, that is the ability to carry out daily tasks with vigor and alertness without under fatigue and with ample energy to enjoy leisure time pursuit and response to emergencies। Okay, and if you talk about the B1, that is the aerobic exercise. This is B will goes with first one, that is a type of activity in which the body uses oxygen to sufficient meet energy demands during exercise। Aerobic means with oxygen। Okay, keep in mind aerobic with oxygen and anaerobic without oxygen। Now anaerobic will goes with fourth one, that is the brief intense burst of physical activity where oxygen demand surpasses oxygen supply। Okay, health related physical fitness, this will go with second one, that includes cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility and the body composition। So answer D, option D is the correct answer। Okay, Now come to the question number 13. Okay, match the column. Match the column. Now question number 13, the option A is the correct answer. It means basketball. The basketball A will goes with third one, that is 1891 in Springfield. Okay, and then volleyball. Volleyball will go with fourth one, that is 1895 in Holyoke, uh, Massachusetts. Okay, that is A will third and the volleyball with fourth one. If we talk about the badminton, that will goes with first one, that is Pune, and the battledore and shuttlecock. Okay, badminton, sorry. Okay, now hockey with second one, that is Sente. Okay, hockey will goes with second one, that is Sente. Now question number 14, the national games of 2018 conducted in Goa was this is the in this the option 34, 35, 36 and 37. The answer is C option, that is 36 नेशनल गेम्स. ओके, और जो रिसेंटली है वो आप देख लेंगे गूगल पे सर्च करके, हो सकता है आपसे रिसेंट वाला पूछा जाए ना. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, द समर ओलंपिक गेम्स ऑफ 2020 विल बी हेल्ड इन. ये पुराना क्वेश्चन है जो कि टोक्यो में होना था 2020 में, बट ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन और कोविड की वजह से ये 21 में हुआ था. ओके, 21 में हुआ था. और 21 में पता ही आपको एथलेटिक्स में पहली बार गोल्ड आया था जो कि नीरज चोपड़ा. ओके, क्या था 87.58 मीटर के मेजर पे है ना, क्या कहते हैं, थ्रो किया था जेवलिन को. तो ये चीज़ आप डिटेल में देख लेंगे इसको ना. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, that is 21 Commonwealth Games is commonly known as A. Australia 2018, B. Queensland 2018, C. Gold Coast 2018 and D. Melbourne 2018. The option C is the correct answer, that is the Gold Coast 2018. Now the English part. Supposedly digital voice discs or DVDs are, as they are called, are dash resistant to scratching dash records. The options are given much, like then, so, as, such, that, far, more, than. So the answer of this question is option D, that is far, more, than. So if you feel DVDs are, as they are called, are far more resistant to scratching than records. Okay, now question number 18. Ever since the use of advanced protective equipments became widespread, a sport is not dash a risk oriented activity dash it was before. Now option A, as, such as, so, that, more than. Now the option option B is the correct answer, that is a sport is not such a risk oriented activity as it was before. Okay, now question number 19. We could barely get any information at the stadium ticket counter. Dash people seems to have dash idea about the match schedules. Now option A, many slash any, A, lot of dash slash any, only a few slash some, few, or no. Now option of this answer of this question is C1, that is only a few slash some. ओके, इससे रिलेटेड और भी क्वेश्चन आप लोग देख लीजिएगा जिससे कि आपको हेल्प होगा. नाउ द लास्ट वन, विच लॉ ऑफ मोशन इज अप्लाइड ड्यूरिंग टेक ऑफ इन जम्प्स. ऑप्शन ए, फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन, सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, सी बी, सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, सी थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, डी लॉ ऑफ मोमेंटा. नाउ आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज C, that is third law of motion. Okay, now second law of motion and the law of momentum is the same. Second law of motion is also known as law of momentum and also known as law of acceleration. Okay, so आई होप आप सबको ये सब आंसर है ना मालूम चल गया होगा। अगर किसी क्वेश्चन पे फ्रेंड्स अगर कोई डाउट हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं। और अपने है ना सिक्योरिटी के लिए चाहे तो आप है ना आप दूसरे है ना सर्च इंजन का हेल्प लेकर उसको है ना करेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, दिस ऑप्शन आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज गिवन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई नॉलेज। ओके, so please keep sharing and thank you very much.